tell by the title of this video, today I will be showing you how I do my half up, half down top knot Chun-Li bun on my Water Wave Frontal and Bundles by SVT Hair. So basically to do the half up, half down, you want to section off your hair. Hopefully you guys can see this. But basically you just want to section off your hair. Take your comb just to smooth everything out. So once you have everything smoothed out, your foam is optional, but I just put 2 pumps on top just to make it a little bit smoother. You want to take your scrunchie and put this section off spot in a ponytail. Now that it's in a ponytail, you want to take this hair and you want to twist. And twist all the way down to your ends, making sure everything is nice and tight. Then what you want to do is you want to wrap the hair around itself. Like I am doing here. And if you plan on wearing this style for a while, you can pin it with bobby pins, but usually when you wrap tight enough, the knot will stay in place. Now here is the fun part, that is adding the chopsticks. Is go in one side, push through, go in the other side, and push through. And your top knot, half up, half down bun is complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to join the gang, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.